What's the cart for? The park's just down the road.
We're going for a proper hike in the countryside.
The countryside? No! We could get chased by chickens. Man-eating chickens. Can't we just go round the block?
N-O spells no, Henry.
Well, I'm telling you, you'll be sorry.
We should have listened to Henry.
Who'd have thought man-eating chickens would eat our darling Henry? I'll never eat an omelette again.
Henry! In!
No, I live in the city. I'm not going.
Come back here! Now, do your seatbelt up and try to behave.
Oh, look! A wood pigeon!
Let's go, Henry.
You can't make me.
Fine. But each step I take is 5p off your pocket money until you catch up. 5p off, 10p off, 15p off, 20p off.
Oh, I'm missing a Rapper Zapper marathon for this?
Henry! A nuthatch! They're really rare. Oh, you missed it.
I'll live.
Mom! Henry took my binoculars!
Henry, give them back.
Oh, it's gone all dark.
Smell that fresh air.
All I can smell is manure. Couldn't you wait, Peter?
No! Henry called me smelly!
Don't be horrid, Henry.
Come on, Henry. Why don't you help Peter find something for his nature project?
Right.
But that's a wasp's nest. They sting you, don't they?
Not if you sing to them. No one else will have one. You'll get top marks. Easy.
Oh. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous.
Sing, Peter, sing!
Sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines.
Peter, come away from that wasp's nest.
It's all right, Dad. I'm singing to them. Henry said they won't sting. Sonnez les matines.
Peter, stop! Of course they'll sting. Come down now.
How could you be so horrid, Henry?
Well, Dad said to help him find something for his nature project, so I did.
Something safe.
Oh, well, he should have been more specific.
Oh.
Come on, Henry.
Eureka! That's it! The sooner we get to the stupid lake, the sooner I go home to watch Rapper Zapper. Come on, let's run! Isn't this fun?
That's the spirit, Henry.
Whee! Let's find the lake!
Ouch! Oh! Ow! 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 Oh! Stinging nettles! Ow! Ow! Oh!
Come on, Slowcoat! Last one to the lake is rubbish! There it is! I see it! I see the lake! There's a shortcut, come on!
I knew he'd enjoy our hike.
Frère Jacques,
dormez-vous.
Oh, they've slowed down! I knew they would. Good thing I doubled back.
Ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
I'm missing Rapper Zapper! How am I going to get them to hurry up? All right! Come on!
So easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry. I want you to add these numbers, then multiply the answer by this number, then divide it by this number, then speak of the...
Take this, alien math monster!
Calm down, everyone. Maths never hurt anyone. Yuck, yuck.
Hey, alien, over here!
Yuck, yuck. Wibble. You saved us!
Well, someone had to get rid of the maths monster.
Henry? Henry? Henry! Are you listening to me? Now, which of you deserves a brave badge?
Me, miss! I saved us from the maths monster!
As I was saying, we'll find out tomorrow who is brave and who is not. Because tomorrow is... Injection Day.
Injection Day? No!
It's only an injection. It's not like it's major surgery.
Silence, worm!
Don't be nervous, Henry.
Ha! Nervous? Why would I be nervous? It's only an injection.
That's right. It's just a few centimetres of needle jabbed into your flesh.
And the winner of the gold medal for javelin is Henry! Oh wait, it appears we have one more contestant.
And then they pull the needle out and...
Oh.
Henry? Henry?
Henry, time for school.
I can't go to school today, Mum.
Why ever not?
I've got a cough.
Oh, come on, Henry. You'll have to do better than that.
The school burned down yesterday.
Oh, I didn't see any flames.
Silence, worm.
Don't be horrid, Henry.
I can't go to school today because I've broken my leg. Ow! Ow! Oh, the pain. Oh.
Poor Henry.
I know it's injection day today, Henry, and you are going to school whether you like it or not.
Now, let me see. B for broken leg. Just lie back and relax, Henry. I can help you.
Yes, Peter. Yes, you can.
But I don't want to pretend to be you for the day.
You'll get to play in the big boys' playground.
Yes.
Whoa! And you'll get to sit in the big boys' class.
So?
You'll get maths homework.
Ooh, goody! I love maths homework! But if I'm you, won't I get your injection?
Oh, yeah, I hadn't thought of that. But think of all that maths homework.
This is never going to work.
Of course it will.
Henry? Peter?
You're right. It's never going to work.
This injection better not leave a mark. My arms are beautiful and I want them to stay that way.
You better hope she doesn't hit an artery. This causes massive blood loss, gangrene and possible amputation. That means they cut your arm off.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
taking Mum and Dad their juice.
But I always take them their juice.
Too late, Slowcoach.
Oh, you haven't put something horrible in it, have you, Henry?
No. Open the door.
Well, I can take it in for you.
No, let go.
Oh, don't be horrid, Henry. Go and get something to clear up this mess.
Hey?
Can I come with you, Dad? I love going to the supermarket.
Of course you can, Peter. Out, Henry!
That's not fair. You're taking Peter. Why can't I come?
Because I remember the last time you came shopping.
That was an accident. I'll be good, I promise. I just want to help. Please?
Cucumber, tomatoes, salad.
Dad said I could push the trolley.
You did it last time.
Dad! Henry's being mean!
Don't be horrid, Henry.
It's okay. Peter can push.
I don't care what... What did you say?
Peter can push the trolley. I don't mind.
Are you feeling okay, Henry?
Fine, thank you.
Well done. Well done, then.
Being good is really hard work.
I don't know. How about leek and broccoli?
Yes, but Mum likes spicy parsnip.
Fine. Henry, we need baked beans.
I know where they are, Dad.
It's okay. I'm onto it. This has possibilities.
Henry, don't!
Oops, nearly forgot.
Henry, what are you doing? Get down from there.
It's okay, Dad. I've got it. Oh, I've got the baked beans, Dad.
Lunchtime. Peter, can you...
Lay the table. Yes, please.
Why can't I do it? Well, I want to lay the table.
All right, Henry, but don't break anything.
I always lay the table.
Let go!
You let go.
Okay, have it your way.
Thank you, Peter. What a good boy you are.
Henry, sit up properly.
I am sitting up properly.
Oh, so you are. Well, don't slurp your food.
I'm not slurping. I've eaten all my carrots.
Good heavens. Henry, what a good boy.
Well, I've eaten all my carrots too.
Mwah.
Ow! Peter kicked me!
Peter?
I know what you're doing. You're only being good so you can go to the fair, but it won't work, so there.
Oh, no?
No, because sooner or later you'll do something horrid. You always do, Smelly.
I forgive you. Mum, can I do some gardening?
You? Why?
To be helpful, of course.
Well, there is one job needs doing.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Henry, Settle down, class. Now, I'm afraid there's been a change of plan. The ice cream factory is closed today. So, we're going to the museum instead.
The museum?
You'll just have to wait. Will everyone please sit down?
Let's go somewhere else. Museums are so boring.
Good morning, class, and welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Mrs. Crunch. C-R-U-N-C-H Crunch. And I have the pleasure of being your tour guide extraordinaire while you grace our premises.
I want to see the dinosaurs.
Me too.
That's impossible, I'm afraid. Our new dinosaur exhibit is presently closed to the public.
My dad says you've got a mummy.
Well, dear, most of us do have Oh, of course, how silly of me. You mean the mummy from the ancient Egypt exhibit?
Ooh, a mummy! Ooh.
Unfortunately, the ancient Egypt gallery had to make way for the dinosaur exhibit, so it too is closed to the public.
Well, let's come back when they're open.
Young man, this is a place of learning. For those who find civilized behavior impossible, we have a naughty children's room. You would be wise to avoid it. Follow me, class. Gather round, class. As you can see, our permanent exhibit tells the story of this very spot throughout history. The flora on display here once covered this entire
Looks like the stuff in our garden.
Let us start with the soil, the very earth beneath our feet, unchanged since the dawn of humanity. See it, touch it, smell it. Our very soil is alive with the mysteries of history.
It's alive! It's alive!
Very funny, young man, but also accurate. The soil is very much alive. Behold the wormery.
I hate worms!
We can eat them like they do on telly.
Oh, yuck!
What do worms taste like?
I don't know.
Watch your feet! Do not tread on the worms!
Everyone help! I want all the worms picked up immediately!
I'm not touching them. I might catch something.
Oh, for goodness sake! They're only worms!
Miss, can I go to the loo?
Yes, fine, but don't dawdle, Henry.
Someone is responsible for this. I am very disappointed. Very disappointed.
Miss Lovely, those early settlements were really interesting.
Wait for me.
Let's get the other one after lunch.
Nice hat. But you're wearing a skirt.
Take your hands off me.
Ah! It spoke! Ah! That statue! It talked!
Did it? How interesting. Now you better catch up your classmates.
No, that's my brother's class. My class is out here.